Yeah, how's it going, everyone? My name is Node.js and this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to install Node.js. First things first, let's talk about Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is a cross-platform open source JavaScript runtime environment that can be run on Windows, Linux, Unix, macOS, and more, of course. Node.js runs on the V8 JavaScript engine and executes JavaScript code outside the web browser. Node.js lets developers use JavaScript to write command line tools and for server-side script. So with this being said, let's get started with installing Node.js. It doesn't matter if you're on a Mac or a Windows or a different platform. I'm going to show you two examples on how to install. You first of all need to go to Node.js. This is the website, nodejs.org, and basically select your language if it's not English and just click on download Node.js. So we're going to download this little version so you can save it wherever you want because you will delete it afterwards. I'm just going to save it here. After the download is completed, just open up the package manager, or if you're on Windows, open up the executable, run continue, then on the license agreement, continue, agree to the license agreement. By the way, on the destination, just select the default. Now let's install the typical type. Of course, you will need to insert your password. If you're on a Mac, if you're on Windows, you won't get this step. Okay, so now we should have Node.js version 22.13.0 installed and also npm package manager version 10.9.2. So how can we check if we have it actually installed? Now, if you're on our Mac, you will open up your Spotlight, command space, and then type in terminal. Hit enter. Let me make this a bit larger. This is going to open up your terminal. If you're on a Windows, then hit the Windows key on your keyboard. That's the key with a little window on it. This should open up your bar from the bottom up and just type in, for example, if I had it open, just type in CMD, that is the command prompt, and hit enter. I don't have a command prompt because I'm macOS, but just trust me, I have a Windows machine. It's basically the same thing. So hope everyone has it open. Okay, so as soon as you have your either terminal or your command line open, just type in node space -v, hit enter, and you should have as a result the current version that is installed. Now if you want to check for npm, just type in npm space -v, enter, and it's going to result in the current version of npm that was just installed on your machine. So hope this was nice and easy. If you have any kind of questions or suggestions for future videos, leave that in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe. My name is Node.js. Catch you next time. Bye bye.